Good morning, seventh grade. I hope you guys are having a good morning so far. Looks like it's going to be a really nice day, so hopefully you can get outside and enjoy the warmer weather before the rain starts. Hopefully you can do that. Just a couple of reminders. We will have our Zoom meeting tomorrow, so be looking for that invite via Google Classroom, and that's going to go out this afternoon. So put a reminder in your phone or your iPad so that you remember to get on and join us in the call. As far as classes go, in English today, read that article, answer the questions throughout the article, and read those other pages that I sent you about the concept map and advantage, disadvantage, and take notes on that. You do not need to send me your notes. We're going to go over that tomorrow through our Zoom meeting, and then kind of start thinking about what you might want to work on for or write about for your advantage disadvantage paper. It's not a compare and contrast, so you're not picking two topics and comparing and contrasting. You would pick one topic and give me the pros and the cons of that one topic. And then as far as literature goes, keep continuing to work on the poetry web quest. I would say maybe work 20 minutes a day. It's not due until April 10th, so you have a long time to work on it. Next week, spring break, we're taking the week off, so you'll have about 2 weeks, a good 2 weeks to work on it, and that should be plenty of time if you work a little bit on it each day. So enjoy your day. I miss you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.